Hey guys, today's trade review is going to be Rivian. And look, we have a lot of trades today, as you're going to see a couple of fills, but let's just discuss where our mentality was early. We were looking for the long and we found one, but we actually took our first trade short. And the reason why is we actually went back to find, was there a level? We saw Rivian up today and it's been up, what is it, 40% now since IPO or more? It was or around now, 40%, came out at 106.75 and right now we're at 145. So a nice big bump up, 40 bucks straight to the upside on Rivian. But look what we found here. We actually today, I mean, it's just such a big day. Came in here and we actually highlight this 135, 136 area as high up as we got there. That was a level. This is from Friday, so I guess Friday late, something like that, 136. I don't know if it actually got up there, but whether or not it was a dark pool or not, there's the mark we looked at. And if you come into today's trade, our very first trade was actually this short. What we wanted was a short into that level. So we actually take it against about 134.50 or so, our very first short. Look at the excitement right off the open. Bang. You get a big red tick here as it sells down into that 124 level. And if you actually check the sticky note, we were waiting for 124 to break. So we should have reversed it to the long side because we don't have a tick down here for 124 break. Okay, comes back in, hits about 126, then it's straight to the upside. We take advantage of this, man. Nice short there. Get that at 134.50 and then we're out right in your view up 134. That's a $4 winner. We're actually hoping we hold the last bit. We get out of 2/3 real quick. Then we hold that last bit, hoping for a move to the downside. That does not happen. So we get out right there, 134 back. So small win on the last little part. Then this is where it starts to get spicy. We actually don't believe this move. It comes all the way to the upside. We talked about this last week. Don't get caught shorting ahead of levels that you believe will hold, right? And unfortunately, 140 should have been a try. So we did that. We try 140 here. Doesn't actually hold. So we wind up losing and getting out. But then we tick back out at 142, back down. So there's a couple shorts. This is a losing trade here. Defending 140, getting out at 142, re-shorting them back out at 140. So we make back a little bit. But this is where the mistakes start to happen. Why are we shorting 143? Why are we shorting 144, 145, 146? If you're going to get printed, guys, at 146, guess what? You're probably going to get printed near 150, right? So as stocks begun to trade, they start to levitate towards key levels. That 150 was an easy one. We should not have any of these shorts. So we get out there 147, then this is where the real money starts being made, included where we still have the short rate now. Getting 150, getting 150 again, getting out 148, getting out 146, comes back in, taking another 150 fill, getting it out there 147, not 148, then it dips down. We actually didn't take anything out. We probably should have got out there 144, but we're going to hold. We're going to see if we can come back to view up. So Rivian right now, just chilling out. We'll see if we can get back to here. My target actually, this is going to sound crazy, but let's see if we can get back to 135, 136 today. So I'll see if Rivian can retest the bottoms. We'll keep shorting ahead of 150. As long as you pick key levels, you should be okay. Take small hits. And look, I go long more than I go short, but when you're at key levels like this, even though it's Rivian, love Rivian. We talked about putting that in the portfolio on IPO. I didn't do it. I hope you did. But here's Rivian struggling now at the top, kind of barcoding. We'll see. I feel like it falls down. To me, the risk right now is holding a long, not holding a short. Why? Because the short has a defined out. So we'll hold this. We'll get some more if it goes back up. But Rivian, to me, perfect. Gave us that trade early. We got in, we got out. That's why you scalp it. And about 10 or so fills later, we're now holding the short right now off 150. So $5 in the money on this Rivian short. Let's see if we can't make it 10. But that's your trade of the day, and I like it.